This Align Right Realty property video is presented by George Hahn. This beautiful fully furnished 2-bedroom and a den, 2-bath, 2-car garage, Beachcomber floor plan villa in immaculate condition and move-in ready. Located on a cul-de-sac, this home has an extra-large lot with a gorgeous water view. The gorgeous kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, granite countertop with backsplash, closet pantry, and breakfast bar to ease into your morning. New Bosch dishwasher, convection oven, and 3-door refrigerator. Popular split plan with owner's suite at the back of the home that features a walk-in closet and private ensuite bath with comfort height sink, large tiled walk-in shower, water closet, and upgraded cabinets. The second bedroom is perfect for overnight guests, with the second bath located conveniently near it. Screened-in extended lanai offers a nice place to relax with your friends. Crown molding and upgraded tile floor throughout the home with a new HVAC system, water softener, water heater, and hurricane shutters. Roof has been sealed with a transferable warranty. Located in the maintenance-free Webb Community, Southshore Falls. This gated community has a spectacular clubhouse with an abundance of amenities: 3 community pools, hot tub, fitness center, internet cafe, bocce ball, pickleball, tennis courts and putting green. Very active community with lots of activities and clubs. Centrally located between Tampa, St. Pete, Bradenton and Sarasota, 30 to 45 minutes, west/easy access to I-75. Close to airports, cruise lines, beaches and hospitals. Just bring your toothbrush. For more information, review the details below or contact George Hahn at 813-833-4130.